Exhaust laws exist because of you. What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and today we are going to be driving a 6th generation Camaro SS. But this is not just any 6th generation Camaro SS 1LE. This is quite possibly the best sounding 6th gen Camaro SS I've ever heard, with the best exhaust setup I've ever seen. And it's also quite possibly the loudest car I have ever driven on this channel, but I'll leave it up to you guys. Now this car might seem familiar to you guys because 8 months ago I featured it on the channel. But since then, this car has undergone quite a bit of modifications that has enhanced pretty much every aspect of it, from performance, from sound, and of course from look. Without further ado, let's go ahead and reveal the secret formula. What's going on, Sims?
What's going on? No. Yeah. We'll get it one day.
One day we will get it. All right, guys, so this is Sims 1LE. This is the owner of this honestly insane 6th generation Camaro SS 1LE, and it's not his first time. He knows the rodeo, so
yes.
Tell us, what have you done to this Camaro?
That's the most highly requested question. What's done to the exhaust? So I'm gonna just say it right now. Texas Speed headers, Texas Speed X pipe paired with a Corsa extreme muffler exhaust. That's your exhaust setup. That's it. Everything pretty much the same, except I added a lot of carbon. So we're gonna start with the front lip. After the front carbon lip, I went ahead and did the carbon side skirts, the mirrors, and they're overlays. But the back is really where it transforms.
The back is where it's at.
So I went ahead from Anderson Composite, did the trunk. This is the carbon duck lid.
I gotta interrupt.
Go ahead. Oh.
Built not bought.
Y'all gonna find that out in a second. I did the trunk lid, the duck lid, carbon fiber. Also have the Umbre C8 dark tail lights. And then we also got the Anderson Composite AZ type diffuser for these Camaros.
Let's hear what that exhaust system sounds like.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be that loud, is it?
Nah.
118! Oh my God! He's idling around 100 decibels, 99 to 100 on the track mode. Let's do quiet mode. Oh. Bro, it's like a relief. Still 98. Bro, that's crazy. I'm doing this for science. That's quiet. 100. $124. I think I might have some hearing loss, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna do some runs afterwards. It's gonna be the Sims 1LE versus the world. Model 3 Performance, which is gonna be the camera car, an Audi R8 V10, and of course my 5th gen ZL1. All right, let's go. So yes, this is a 10-speed automatic. If I can deal with it, so can you guys in the comment section. Come on. Obviously, so it is built for the track. We're not really going to test out its track capabilities today, but honestly it handles incredibly. I would say it's like 25 to 30% louder. Dude, that is so ridiculous. So you know what's crazy? Driving this at 8th gear, it's actually insanely quiet. And this is track mode, so the things are completely fully open.
Yes.
And honestly, it's very manageable.
Even cruising, like if you just cruise, you won't even hear me coming. You won't know this car is cammed. And a lot of people mistaken that, because I've had people come up where like I'm cruising like at 40 high gear, and then a built car comes next to me, or a full bow-tie car, and he's like trying to run it, but then once I open everything up and they hear the chop, nobody want to race no more now all of a sudden.
He gets real quiet real quick.
Real quiet real quick.
Generation Camaros, dude. You have the tour mode option. It's definitely something that you should get regardless. I mean, exactly. This is quite literally the best, especially if you were able to spec it out from the factory. You can't do it anymore from factory.
Nah, yeah, they don't do them no more. Yeah.
But if you could get an MPP exhaust on your car, get it.
With traction on, fully tuned, it's raps.
Chopaholics, we make it look easy. All right, so the camera crew, what do y'all think?
Bro, I think it's way too loud, bro.
My ears are ringing from that tunnel run, bro.
Payne, what about you?
That nigga get used to it, dog.
All right, back to work. Yo!
What the fuck?
Bro, I can't.
Pause.
Yeah. Exhaust laws exist because of you. Sims!
I get banned from Brickle.
Brickle residents hate this man. Oh my god!
No, 3.
3? No. Chill. Sims, did you see that?
See all of them breathing.
Bro, the tourists, they're like, oh my god.
Giant pussy looking ass fucker cock shit!
Oh, this shit's slow.
Hit it one time.
It's like a hybrid F1 NASCAR sounding exhaust system, bro.
I can't explain it either. I just know it has a F1 pitch to it.
Soon because they're catching up to me too quick.
I told you, bro, he's top end heavy.
That's good. No, you were neck and neck. Like,
We were neck and neck, and then
I was pressing you on how to like, nah. And once you beat me, I'm gonna get my tune finally.
one last run with GB.
Where's GB?
On you.
1, 2, 3.
Once it get past like 120, the shit shine. Like it
Top end.
top end.
Pretty crazy race. Did surprisingly well, considering that I think you were the determining factor. There you have it. That is the full video vlog of us terrorizing Miami in this absolutely ballistic, diabolically loud
6th Gen SS 1LE. If I was automatic, I think I would have beaten him. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like. It helps out tremendously with the algorithm. If you guys enjoy my channel overall, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ah!